Hi, welcome to Maptive. I'm going to show you how to create your first map. To create your first map, click this button right here. Here you will name your map. Then you can add a description if you wish, or just hit continue. Here you'll either be able to add your file or drop files here. You can start blank or you can choose Google Sheets. For my example, I'm going to add the file. Once chosen, it's going to upload and then you will see this dialog box. This is the matchup dialog box. This is going to do its best to understand your column headers and to match up the correct things for you. So as you see, I have an address column, a city column, state, zip code, and I happen to have latitude and longitude. You don't need that to load your data, but I have it. So you can use it if you want it. You don't need anything matched to address line 2, which is usually apartment or suite number or space number. No reason to match anything to that. If you don't have a country column, then nothing should be matched here either. As we scroll down, we'll get to the second section. This is section 2, and you see it's matching name to the location name and title. This is what's going to be seen at the top of your marker pop-up. I have my website column matched to website. I don't have an image URL column, but if you do, this is where that matches. I have email matched to email, phone number matched to phone number, and API ID is if you're going to be using the API. We hit done, and the program will then geocode these locations and drop them in the map. You can simply refresh your screen to center the map properly. And now you've created your first map. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.